Said I was going to do a follow-up on this, and there's a bunch of trash way down over there. This is where the rats were, right there on the other side of the river. It's kind of an idea of how much garbage is being washed away. That's a pretty good stream. There's just trash. It's coming up to where I was walking down there. And it's going to continue to rain, probably pretty good for the next 24 hours. Yeah, there's your, looks like that couch came out too. Yeah, it's flowing hard. I'm going to get out here and see if I can get a better shot of this. Couch and a mattress or something down in that creek underneath that overcrossing. Wonder where it is now. Probably on its way to Moss Landing. Yep, look at all that debris right there. It's kind of stuck in an eddy. And all this other crap that's flowing down. This is all going into the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. You don't hear Jimmy Panetta saying squat about it. All this garbage. Anyways, I told you I'd do a follow-up on this, and there's actually a gas can down there. And here's my follow-up. Peace out.